Morning LM parents. We are very thankful that you all appreciated our initiative LM Talk, which we started a month back. We are back with the second consecutive communication today on 1st June as promised in first LM Talk, and second LM Talk will brief you about happenings at Little Millennium Shardanagar in the month of May 2016. Before we brief you about happenings of month of May, it is time to recall the task given in the first LM Talk, and we are glad to share that we received 23 responses. All beautiful pictures received were forwarded to all LM parents. It was very encouraging for us that we got such an excellent response from you all and hope the same in future as well. Recently, we also shared 4 decorous collages having almost all the pictures of first LM Talk task. The task for this month will be conveyed at the end of this talk. Furthermore, the month of May was full of events. The summer vacations commenced from 9th of May, and as per the Indian tradition, most of the children would be spending holidays with their maternal or paternal grandparents. On the last working day, that is 6th May, the crafts of Mother's Day were given to all the children. They were informed to give it to their mothers on 8th May. We also taught them angels exist, but sometimes they don't have wings. They are called mothers. Moving ahead, we found that all newcomers are now well settled in the school and their academic journey is on the right track. The first parent-teacher meeting for this session was held on 11th May for Ready to Fly 2, 12th May for Emerging Wings, 13th May for Ready to Fly 1, and 14th May for Developing Roots. We really acknowledge your attendance and punctuality on the respective day of PTM and expect that this will remain stable for the whole session. In the parent-teacher meeting, summer vacation homework was given to every child and their learning levels were shared with the parents. Holiday homework is given to the children so as to help them stay connected with their academics, and it will be a great support for them if you assist them in the completion of their work. During the PTM, the parents who had completed the LM Talk task of first LM Talk were appreciated and felicitated. We had also shared felicitation pictures with all LM parents. Hope you had a great time watching them. Herewith, we would like to specifically mention and appreciate initiative-taking skills of Mrs. Ankita Dhawan, mother of Amishi of Emerging Wings, as she was the first one to implement LM Talk task. We had a fruitful interaction with the parents of Developing Roots children during the orientation program which we had organized on 7th May. We shared the details of award of most active parent and many other important matters were discussed. Like every month, the month of May had following days of great importance. There was Mother's Day on 8th May, Buddha Purnima on 21st and Bada Mangal on 24th. As far as preschools are concerned, birthday celebration has an important role of all fun and frolics. Our following tiny tots had their birthday in the month of May. Master Mrinal of Emerging Wings on 12th of May, Master Yashwardhan of Ready to Fly 1 on 28th of May, Baby Manani of Ready to Fly 1 on 29th of May. A consolidated birthday for all of them was celebrated on 6th of May in school. We wish them all the best for their future and their academic innings at Little Millennium Shardanagar. Moving on, we had organized an interactive session for parents on Play with Your Child on 14th May with the purpose of briefing you all on the importance of playing with your child and reciting relative activities. 14 parents attended this session. We requested them to implement those activities while spending time with their child and share the pictures on the school's WhatsApp number. We received a lot of pictures and few videos as well. Kudos to everybody. All suitable pictures, videos received till 31st May were shared with all LM parents with hashtag #PlayWithYourChild. You may keep on sharing pictures of the good time you spend with your child. Session for month of June will be on cultivating self-esteem in daughters. It will be organized on 25th of June. Mr. Digvijay Singh, father of Master Vivansh of Ready to Fly 1, gave us a nice suggestion regarding the midday meal. It was to implement some kind of facility where parents who have not opted for midday meal for their child may even avail the facility occasionally. For this, we had launched midday meal coupon system. Most of the details regarding this were shared with you all during parent-teacher meeting. These coupons were put on sale on PTM days and further will be available again in the month of July, October and January only. Exact dates shall be communicated well in advance. Parents, for the first time, since the inception of Little Millennium Shardanagar, we organized a summer camp from 18th May to 31st May. We received as many as 22 enrollments, out of which 2 were our ex-students, 1 was non-LM, 4 were ones who shall be joining LM in July, and rest of them were our existing LM children. The activities covered in this summer camp were art and craft, best out of waste, cookery, fun time, music and dance, play-doh, public speaking, storytelling, theatre and sports. All the children had a great time during these 10 days. In fact, the level of excitement and enthusiasm can be judged from the fact that many of the parents requested us to extend summer camp by another 4 to 5 days. Here, we would also like to mention a matter of major significance. That is, on 21st May, Dr. Ambika Malla, a representative of Little Millennium Shardanagar, had an opportunity to interact with the Honorable HRD Minister, Government of India, Mrs. Smriti Irani, in an event held at Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University. A short video clip and a YouTube link of her interaction with Mrs. Irani was shared with you all via WhatsApp and school mobile application. Dr. Ambika inquired about the operational guidelines of preschools, to which Mrs. Smriti Irani reverted that preschools shall be covered in the new education policy coming up very soon. Another award which Little Millennium was recently conferred with is of Stand-Alone Preschool of the Year. It was given at Indian Education Congress 2016. We hope that you did check our communication on this. To attain a perfect equilibrium, to have a healthy mind in a healthy body, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, asked the world leaders to adopt an International Yoga Day, considering the thoughts that says,
योग आत्मा का परमात्मा से मिलन है। योग ही एक ऐसी कला है जिससे जटिल से जटिल रोगों को दूर कर स्वस्थ जीवन जिया जा सकता है। योग शरीर को केवल बीमारी से मुक्त नहीं करता, बल्कि मानसिक एवं बौद्धिक स्तर पर मानव को सशक्त, शांत और ओजस्वी बनाता है। योग कर्मसु कौशलम।
Yoga is the journey of the self to the self through the self. It gives us immense pleasure to share that in context of upcoming International Yoga Day on 21st June, our team would like to emphasize that we all should shift our approach towards health from sickness to wellness, which would mean to prevent than to cure. Why to wait for illness to find us? Rather, act in a way that our immunity boosts mind and body in a manner that we don't need to visit a doctor every now and then. Parents, we encourage you all to adopt yoga in your daily routine, as this will also inspire our tiny tots to touch this invaluable gift of our ancient tradition in their early childhood itself. We would like to hear more about this from you all to let us know if you require any kind of support. The LM Talk task of this month is related to yoga only. On 21st June 2016, all you have to do is a session of yoga with your child at the terrace or the balcony of your house. This needs to be done on 21st June at the time of sunrise only. Once you implement the task, you may share the pictures or videos on school WhatsApp number 7317 800-888 with following hashtag Yoga with my child on IDY. We shall send a reminder about this on 20th June. Please note that the pictures or videos received before or after 21st June shall not be shared. Since we mentioned Prime Minister Modi in LM Talk of this month, we would like to share that Twitter handle of PM Modi @Narendra Modi follows Twitter handle of Mr. Deepak Tiwari @Deepak Tiwari 5. Nearly 20 million, that is 2 crore people, follow the PM, whereas PM Modi follows only 1,372 people and Mr. Deepak Tiwari is one of them. Finally, I would like to conclude Talk of this month. Do share your feedback and suggestions on how do we make LM Shardanagar better. Thank you for your patient ear and we look forward to speak to you again on 1st July 2016 with the LM Talk for the month of June 2016.